Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. The video that's supposed to go up today is going to be later than usual. I know you're not going to see this until after that video goes up, but I had I don't know, my night, it wasn't so great. I'm struggling with my emotions and I was kind of fighting myself last night. I was not hungry. I was not hungry at all. Period. I was full. I was completely fine. I was out of my mind, bored and lonely, and I could not get food out of my mind. I just wanted to eat something, and I kept fighting with myself. Don't do it. You're not hungry. You're just bored. Go take a bath. Go do something. But I couldn't bring myself to do anything because I was in a depressed state. And I was just laying on the couch watching TV. And I gave in. I'm so mad at myself for this. I gave in and I went and I made a skillet pizza and then I just ate it. And even when I was making it, I was like, don't eat this. Don't eat this. You don't have to eat it. You can just save it for tomorrow. And I still gave in and I ate it. I didn't go over on my carbs, but I went over on my protein and my fat and my calories. And I'm so mad at myself for that. I'll be right back. I fell asleep on the couch last night after I ate that. I ate at like 8 o'clock and I fell asleep by 9 o'clock. And that made me actually, I'm so mad because I weighed 239 last night when I weighed myself. And then this morning, from eating so late right before bed, 241. So it's like I sabotaged myself. I'm so beyond pissed off at myself. And I was gonna fast until dinner tonight, but I know myself and I know that if I do that and do a 24-hour fast, I binge. I eat so much food and I go overboard. And I don't know, you guys. Today's not going any better for me. I fell asleep early, so I couldn't pack my lunch. So I went and got some pepperoni salami and a Quest bar. So that's my lunch. And then I was hoping that my boyfriend was gonna be able to come over this weekend, but he just cannot get out of work. So that's not happening now. And he doesn't want me to have to do the drive and spend money on gas when I don't have it, and it's just frustrating. Just one thing after another, you know? I don't know. I'm trying to be more upbeat and get out of my funk, and I can't. I'm struggling really hard to get out of that. I don't know. It's just a really crappy week. It's a crappy week. It is so crappy. I'm gonna eat my lunch, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna eat my dinner, and I'm not going to eat after dinner. I'm gonna get back on track with my IF because it was working and I wasn't hungry. Hey guys. So I ended up eating the entire thing of the salami pepperoni that I bought for lunch. I was applying for this thing called like Shipt Shopper, where you go grocery shopping for people and make money. So I did that. I applied for that, and then I had to do like this interview thing where I record my answers on a video and then submit it. So I did all that, and I'm just waiting to hear back from them. That would be helpful, I guess, to help me in my money situation. So trying that out. And while I was like doing that, I wasn't even paying attention. I was just eating the pepperoni, like, I don't know. I mean, no carbs, but I ate like half of my day's worth of fat in one sitting, and it was pretty like low protein. So even with, I had a Quest bar too. So I wish I could have like not ate lunch, but I'm trying to move past it. I still feel like I get so hard on myself. And I know you guys will say like, don't be so hard on yourself. It's okay. Tomorrow's a new day, and it's absolutely right. And I am telling myself that, but I'm also still fighting myself on that. And I was gonna go to my boyfriend since he wasn't able to come because of work, and then I was just gonna go there and then, you know, hang out with him when he's not at work and just kind of do my YouTube stuff while he is at work. But I don't have anybody to watch Link, so I can't. So I don't know what I'm gonna do this weekend. Just sit at home and clean the kids' rooms or something. I don't know. Gotta keep myself busy. I don't really have anything to say, so I'll see you again when I eat. You guys, my boyfriend is a shithead. So he's texting me and like sending me pictures of himself like washing his car and doing all this stuff, and then he's like saying like he met this dude at the car wash and all this other crap, and then he's like, what are you gonna do? Like, this is going on for like, I don't know, like an hour. He's like, what are you gonna do when you get home? And I'm like, I don't know, figure out food, take Link for a walk, clean. And he's like, wrong, me and my friend are gonna come visit you. And he sends me a picture of him outside of a comic book store that is in my town. So he did get off work and he is here. So that is like a very good feeling, because I just needed to be able to see him and spend some time with him and have a good weekend. And it really just kind of like lifted up my mood, and I'm in a much, 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 much better mood now, because honestly, I don't know how I would have fared tonight. I feel like I would have eaten and like went to bed. That would have been it. So yay, yay, I'm so excited. I can't get home fast enough. Yay. Okay guys, this is what I'm having for dinner. This is one chicken breast cut up with some provolone cheese melted on top and some roasted garlic and some avocado oil, and then Chris's hand. I'm eating that as well. And then
eating my hand?
Yes.
Wow.
Some Caesar dressing on some spring mix with some cheddar cheese. That's what's for dinner. He's having rice.
I love carbs. Yum.